Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to clean the glass on your car. That includes your windows, your windshield, and you're going to need glass cleaner. This is Armorall, $3 from Walmart. Some dish soap, anything that's highly concentrated to break up the buildup of grime and dirt and everything. Microfiber towel, and a Scuff pad, which is about 50 cents from your local grocery store. Your first step is you're going to want to pour some dish soap on the windshield or whatever part that you're going to be applicating to. Apply as much dish soap as you want, it can't hurt. So after this step, you want to put your Scuff pad aside. Take the Armorall glass cleaner. Take one side of your rag. Apply the glass cleaner. And just wipe off. You want to take the other side, which is the dry side. And you just want to wipe down any excess material. After that, once you have all the soap off, you want to hit it with another layer of Armorall glass cleaner. Alright, so this is your final product. As you can see, the windshield looks fairly clean. Way better than before. I was able to also do this window. And this window. Got these shop lights from Job Lot. They're pretty bright, for 15 bucks actually. The windows are fairly clean, it looks really good. This is what they look like before, you know, there's so much grime and watermark buildup. No. And I actually did the same method on the Z. These windows and the windshield had so much buildup and grime and dirt on them, and like, now look at that. I don't ever think I've ever seen these windows be as clear. For under about $10, you can achieve that look for your windows too. Once again, you only need this Armorall glass cleaner, some dish soap, and a Scuff pad, and you're golden. Peace out, boys. Like, come on now. Seriously clean. Got that perfect reflection, no dirt, no grime.